in the Jimmy Robert exhibition today, and we're going to be inspired by his work. Jimmy is a performer and an artist, and he uses some of the props from his performance as part of his artworks. We're going to be inspired by that using objects that we can collect to make our own sculptures. Now, you can see in the piece of work here, Jimmy has used a plank of wood and a photograph, and they're balanced on each other against the wall. So we can think about ways that we could balance or fit things into small gaps or squeeze them into unusual spaces at home. I've gathered these selection of objects together, but you can find lots of different types of your own objects from around your house. Here's the rest of our Play and Learn team giving it a go at home. Is it good? That looked like brilliant fun. Do have a go at home too and share it with us.